have something for you, which is a fun treat. It's a game. It's called Greedy Granny. Okay, now, Granny loves treats that she wants to keep them all for herself. When Granny falls asleep, it's time to make your move. On your turn, swipe a treat from her tray, but be careful. One wrong move can wake Granny up and send her chomper soaring. Oh, this is lots of fun. This is a fun toy. It is for ages 2 to 4. And this toy is by Goliath. All right, let's see what Greedy Granny is all about. She looks like, oh my goodness. Let me see if I can cut this. Now, do not play with scissors or use scissors without an adult. Miss Porter is going to use scissors. You hear that, Pete and friends? Get an adult to help you. All right, let's look at Miss Greedy Granny. She has a lot of little pieces. Let's open her up. Miss Porter's going to use scissors. I'm going to cut these plastics open. All right, look you all. Look at her sitting in her chair. Now, let me get the pieces out. Okay, since you did so well with listening today, now we're going to take time and do a fun game. And this is called Greedy Granny. And Mr. Cameraman had to help me set up the table so you all can see what we're going to do. All right, here's her chair. I'm going to put it together for you. We're going to put Granny like that. Oh, I just lowered the table. There we go. All right, it has a spinner. You take this and you spin, and then you're going to go to how many times it tells you to spin. She also has a set of teeth. We're going to put these in her mouth. Like that. Okay. Now, and then she has all kinds of treats. She has cookie. This looks like a wafer. Another cookie, a pretzel. And then these look like some cheese. She has all kinds of treats. Okay, so we're going to take the little spinner. I'm going to spin it around. Oh, and we got the cameraman was letting me know how to play this game because he plays this at his job with his kids. Okay, so you lean Granny back just like that. And then we're going to the spinner. I'm going to stand it up so you can see. Oh, since I don't get a chance. All right, let's do it again. Okay, one time, click. Oh, you're going to push this button. So that's one click. So let's turn it again. 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Oh, she's not being greedy. Do it again. 1 time. Oops. I wasn't expecting that. Look at Greedy Granny. She's going to get her food. All right. Let's lean her back and do that one more time. Lean her back like this. Okay, we're going to turn the wheel. Oh, her teeth came out. Mr. Cameraman is telling me I need to put her teeth back in. Boy, that was a big jump. Oh, look at her teeth on the floor. Let's put her teeth back in. Brush your teeth so you don't lose them. Okay. All right. So let's get started. Okay, 3 times. You're going to push this button 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 3 more times. 1, 2, 3. 3 more times. 1, 2, 3. I am never ready for that. Okay. That was a lot of fun. Ooh. Excuse me, cameraman. Knocked the mic and everything. You all, excuse me, the coffee. Granny got me all choked up. But yes, this was a lot of fun. So, that is one fun toy that you can play with a lot of excitement because you never know when she's going to jump up to get her treats. Now, boys and girls, would you like to hear a story? Let's put Greedy Granny away. I think you've eaten enough today, Granny. So we're going to sit her over here and we're going to read a special story for Pete the cat. And I know he's excited because this story is all about him. This is called Pete. Are you excited? Look at him. Oh boy, calm down, settle down. We know it's about you. We know it's about you, Pete. So we're going to read a story about our good friend here, Pete the cat. Okay, here we are, Anastasia. You ready? All right, let's get started. Pete the cat, I love my white shoes. Art by James Dean. He's the creator of Pete the cat. And the story is by Eric Litwin. Okay. Pete the cat, I love my white shoes. Pete the cat was walking down the street in his brand new white shoes. Pete loved his white shoes so much, he sang this song. I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. Love, love, love my white shoes. That's how you sound, Pete? Oh no! Pete stepped into a large pile of strawberries. What color did it turn his shoes? Red. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. He kept walking along and singing his song. Everything is cool. Is that what you said, Pete? Okay. I love my red shoes. I love my red shoes. Love, love, love my red shoes. Okay. Look, he's in a red car too. Go ahead, Pete. Oh no! Pete stepped in a large pile of blueberries. Blueberries? What color did it turn his shoes? Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. It turned the color blue. He kept walking along and singing his song. Awesome. I love my blue shoes. I love my blue shoes. Love, love, love my blue shoes. Oh no! Pete stepped in a large puddle of mud. What color did it turn his shoes? Brown. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. He kept walking along and singing his song. Groovy. Go ahead, Pete. Pete has a good attitude. I love my blue shoes. It's shoes, not brown shoes. I love my brown shoes. I love my brown shoes. Love, love, love my brown shoes. Oh no! Pete stepped in a bucket of water, and all the brown and all the blue and all the red were washed away. What color were his shoes again? What color were his shoes again? White. But now they were wet. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. He kept walking along and singing his song. Rock and roll. Pete is such a cool cat. You cool, Pete. I love my wet shoes. I love my wet shoes. Love, love, love my wet shoes. Look at it. He's just going along. The moral of Pete's story is, no matter what you step in, keep walking along and singing your song. See, look at that. He has white shoes, blue shoes, brown shoes, and red shoes. Because it's all good. Well, all right, Mr. Pete. We are so proud of your good attitude. And remember, you keep a good and happy attitude as well. All right, until next time, thank you for joining Circle Time Kids Club. We're so glad to have you today.